So the microphone I'm using right now is the USB microphone you guys just seen in front of me. Right, it's a nice one. Go try it out. This is a very nice USB mic and you are going to be very pleased with the build and the sound quality. I'll be using this microphone for my videos quite some time now, and the noise cancelling capability of it is just so much amazing for online meetings, online chatting, gaming, voice recording, and so much on. And this microphone is very stable on top of the table because it has got the anti-skid parts and has a very steady bass. It has also got the switch to mute and unmute when you are recording, and it's very flexible and you can turn it around to face any direction at all. And this, we call it omnidirectional microphone, and you can turn it around 360 degrees, right? So it's also very easy to set up and use. You just have to plug it into your laptop and then you can start recording right away. No drivers needed, and it is truly plug and play. Very light in weight and it is portable. You can carry it around, put it in your pocket, right? And this is the cheapest microphone that I've ever seen, and I placed the order for it on Jumia Ghana at a price of 73 Ghana cedis, right? So it is compatible with any other software that any other professional USB microphone can be used. So I use OBS, so I simply plug this USB microphone through the USB port of my laptop, and I just go ahead and then I select it as my recording device in OBS Studio, and I'll start recording. Okay, you can apply the same settings that you have applied to any professional microphone in OBS Studio to get the best sound quality. Okay, it's the same thing, it works for this one as well. Okay, right? So depending on the software you're using, you can optimize for the best sound quality, so you can go ahead and try it for yourself. So, but there are some setbacks that I'm experiencing since I started using this simple microphone. With the build, the design, the material, and the durability, I think is quite okay, right? But to me, the overall length of the microphone is not long enough for me. Sometimes I have to step it up or simply bend my neck all the way down to reach it. But you can adjust it. You can decide to put something on the base and raise it a little bit to reach your mouth. Okay, right? That's not just quite the biggest problem here, right? So another problem is that when you put your mouth too close to it, you're going to start to hear the feedback as a result of the wind that you blow against the microphone. So if you are going to put your mouth too close to it, make sure you use a filter, right, to prevent this feedback. Apart from that, all is okay. And overall, you shouldn't expect the sound quality compared to an expensive studio microphone. This is just a decent microphone if you are just starting out and on a low budget. Okay, to me, everything of it is not bad, it's pretty okay. Just at the looking at the price I bought it, and for now what I can afford is very good. It has not given me any technical problems since I started using it. It's very simple, straightforward. When I'm ready to record my videos, I just plug it into the USB port of my laptop and then I start recording with it. It hasn't given me any technical problem, no background noise. So to my opinion, I think this USB microphone is good for beginners who are on low budget and expecting to upgrade. You can start with this one. If you have any questions about this microphone, you can leave them in the comments. See you next time again. Make sure you take good care of yourself and we'll meet again. Goodbye.